Hey trainers! Big news today for all Pokémon Scarlet and Violet fans. A brand new limited-time Shiny Ting-Lu mystery gift event has just dropped. If you've been waiting for a rare shiny Pokémon to add to your team, this is your chance. But it won't last forever. Let's dive into everything you need to know to claim your shiny Ting-Lu and all the bonus goodies that come with it. Here's the deal. This shiny Ting-Lu is part of a mystery gift distribution event. It's only available until September 30th, 2025, so you'll want to log in and grab it as soon as possible. Along with Ting-Lu, you'll also receive a bunch of Terra Shards, specifically 100 each of Ground, Rock, Steel, and Ghost types. Perfect for powering up your Pokémon for raids and battles. These extra Terra Shards are really helpful for evolving Pokémon or strengthening your team. If you're a competitive player, this is a golden opportunity to stock up before upcoming events or tournaments. Now, let's walk through exactly how to claim your shiny Ting-Lu. First, launch Pokémon Scarlet or Violet on your Switch or Switch 2. Open the Poke Portal from the X menu. This is where all online events and mystery gifts live. Select Mystery Gift, then choose Get Via Internet to connect to the online servers. Pick the shiny Ting-Lu gift from the list. Watch as your gift arrives in-game, and don't forget to save your game right after. It's a common mistake to forget this step. And that's it. It's super simple, but make sure your Switch is connected to the internet, or it won't work. You'll also get the bonus Terra Shards automatically alongside your shiny Ting-Lu. So why is this such a big deal? For starters, shiny Ting-Lu is a rare variant that normally isn't easy to get. Its shiny form has a striking color palette that really stands out in battles or on your team roster. Plus, the combination of Terra Shards makes this event even better. You can use them to Terra Evolve multiple Pokémon, which is great if you're preparing for competitive battles, raids, or online tournaments. Even casual players will benefit, because these shards save you hours of grinding. If you're a collector, this event is a must. Shiny Pokémon are rare, and limited-time distributions like this don't come around often. It's also a nice chance for new players to catch up on high-level resources. This event comes right after the June Switch 2 update, which improved frame rates and graphics clarity for Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. So if you're playing on the Switch 2, the game now looks smoother, battles feel faster, and shiny Pokémon like Ting-Lu really pop with more vibrant colors. Even if you've been hesitant to revisit Scarlet or Violet, this event is a great reason to fire it up again. The improved performance combined with shiny distributions makes it a fun and rewarding experience. Here are a few quick tips to make the most of this event. Back up your save file if possible, so you don't lose progress. Claim your mystery gift early. Don't wait until the last day. Server traffic can spike, and you don't want to risk missing it. Use Terra Shards wisely. Prioritize powering up your favorite Pokémon or those you use in competitive raids. Keep an eye out for other bonus distributions. Sometimes Pokémon events overlap, giving you even more rewards. Following these tips ensures you get everything from the event without any headaches. Alright trainers, that's everything you need to know about the limited-time Shiny Ting-Lu mystery gift event in Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. Don't forget, it's only available until September 30th, 2025, so claim it while you can. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Pokémon updates, and hit the bell so you never miss a distribution or update. Which Pokémon are you hoping to get next? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy training and may all your Pokémon be shiny.